Let's introduce Mr. Thomas from Glendora. He works in a reputed MNC there. Few days ago, his phone suddenly fell from his hand and the screen had been broken. With the broken phone screen, he hardly managed to read the text, watch presentations, send emails and more. He was looking for the best phone repair service provider to replace the broken screen phone. Meanwhile, one of his colleagues, Mr. Richard, suggested him to take the professional assistance to repair the broken screen phone. After getting his suggestion, Mr. Thomas was searching for the most trusted phone repair store near him. Scrolling down the internet, he got to know about iTech Xpress. It is a one-stop shop in Glendora, offers all kinds of phone repair services at affordable prices. He was amazed to know that they provide free repair estimate after evaluating the broken device. He immediately visited the store to avail their professional phone repair service. Their professional immediately diagnosed the device and replaced the broken screen within the same day and returned back the device in proper working condition. Mr. Thomas was very happy to get back his phone with a new screen. If you're going through this same situation like Mr. Thomas, call at 626-777-4747.